Inserting a mail symbol in Microsoft Word is one of those tasks that seems like it should be one click, but it is actually hidden in a few different menus. So depending on whether you want a quick shortcut or a specific stylistic look, here are the most effective ways to do that. So if you want to insert standard mail symbol, then press Alt and press 9993 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And if you want to insert the back of envelope symbol, then hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 128231 and release the Alt key. And if you want to insert the incoming mail, then you need to type 1F4E8 and press Alt X all together. So moreover, for the back of envelope symbol, you can also type 1F4E7 and press Alt X all together. This is the another Ajax code. So you can also insert the mail symbol by using the icons. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the icons. So make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. So in the search bar type mail and hit enter. So here it is. You need to click on that and click insert. So there is another method you can insert mail symbol by using emojis keyboard. Since Word supports emojis, so you can use the system level picker. For this you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together. Then emoji panel will be open up. Click on the search and type mail. And here you can see there are different types of email symbol. This is the incoming. So you can choose any of them. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.